Warning for Central or County in Central North Carolina, Scotland County in Central North Carolina, Northwestern Sampson County in Central North Carolina, Harnett County in Central North Carolina, Eastern Richmond County in Central North Carolina, Cumberland County in Central North Carolina, Lee County in Central North Carolina, Southwestern Wake County in Central North Carolina, Southwestern Johnston County in Central North Carolina, Polk County in Central North Carolina, Southeastern Chatham County.
How many counties?
Until 9:15 a.m. At 8:31 a.m., severe thunderstorms will Stanford, Anderson Creek, and Port Liberty. For your protection, move.
Couple ways to activate on my two HHs.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 a.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Cumberland, Harnett, Polk, Johnston, Lee, Moore, Richmond, Sampson, Scotland, and Wake.
Failed.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 a.m. for the following county: Sampson, North Carolina.
Next is probably Wayne.
Here are the 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time observations across Eastern. Thunderstorm warning for Vance County, Warren County, Western Knox County, Granville County, Northwestern Halifax County, Wake County, Northern Johnson County, Eastern Dillon County, Northeastern Chatham County, Franklin County, until 9:30 a.m. At 8:44 a.m., the thunderstorm will be located along the line extending to
I had keyboard notification and I hit this here. What is here? Is the same level.
50 miles per hour wind gusts. Source. Radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage siding and trees. Locations impacted include Highland, Churchill, Maddox Mountain State Park, Lake River, Gilbert, Parkwood, Lake Franklin, Car Lake, Selma, and Wake Forest. For your protection, move to a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 a.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Chatham, Franklin.
Oh yeah, yeah. It was just issued on Wayne County. We should those one when they go off air. Perfect timing. For my county, all of my county. Stupid. Go off air. I went off. This failed. 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 Where's the one where he was failing? He's always the one with the strobe lights. Doing these probably wouldn't have been off. If KXI didn't go off there, I was still mid-program and trying to fix the same code. Stop falling!
Wilson.
But yeah. And literally, as soon as it went off there, a minute later, they told us SVR. And a faint EAS call. Makes us unrecognized. Cause they're so quiet.
The National
Another one.
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Warren County, Nash County, Edgecombe County, Halifax County, Northeastern Wake County, Northern Wilson County, Northeastern Johnston County, Franklin County, until 10:15 a.m. Weekend Gardner Mag. Until 10:15 a.m. 2 a.m. Thunderstorms were located south 60. Sighting entries. Locations impacted include Highland, Rivers, Maddox Mountain State Park, High Docks, Nightdale, Scotland Neck, Crystal, Hopgood, Escalating, and New Hope. For your protection, move to a security mountain state park buildings. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
So quiet for some reason.
In North Carolina, Edgecombe, Franklin, Halifax, Johnston. Here is a special message issued. Here is a warm and Wilson.
Alright, 5-5's going off.
Southwest wind 50 to 25 miles per hour. Expected.
Yeah, I was going to use the thunderstorm watch while at it. Just to make.
Miles per hour with Source, radar indicating. Impact, expect damage, sighting, entry. Location detected including Highland, Rivers, Maddox Mountain State Park, Pine Top, Nightdale, Scotland Neck, Crystal.
Windows March 14,
For your protection,
Wayne County.
on the lowest floor of the building. A thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 a.m. for the following counties. North Carolina, Edgecombe, Franklin, Halifax, Johnston, Nash, Wake, Warren, and Wilson. Here is a special message from the National Weather
Let's hope
for the following counties.
it goes off.
Durham, Franklin, Johnston, Nash, Wake.
They went back on a normal voice.
High wind warning remains in effect until 4 p.m. this afternoon for northeast portions of central North Carolina.
Let's check.
West, southwest winds 15 to 25
Hold on, wait on 3.
up to 55 miles per hour expected for northeast portions of central North Carolina. Where, from Raleigh north and east, including the north of the state, 95 degrees west. Wet until 4 p.m. this afternoon. Impact, damage of road down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and drizzle. Caution to keep much dry. At 9:04 a.m., heavy rain and fog were reported at the Raleigh Durham Airport. The temperature was 16 degrees and skies were cloudy.
Now we wait.
For today, patchy fog.
I hate when they say like wrong. There it is!
Effective until 3 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Greene, Johnston, Nash, Williams, and Wilson. Remember, a thunderstorm watch and expectations are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail damage in the severe watch area,
Including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area.
They'll be failed and failed.
and weather, radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest weather information.
Television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is a special message from the National. 3 p.m.
I put all my radios on. Well, get some alerts on here. Again?
Jones County, Greene County, Lenoir County.
Oh, it would have been a double header. I think case I went off air. K887, it might be toning it.
Has issued a severe
Yep.
thunderstorm warning for northwestern Jones.
Now you know, Greene County EMS to go off.
Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kinston, Wallace, Warsaw, LaGrange, Mount Olive, Cornegay, Rose Hill, Snow Hill, Richlands.
Yep, Snow Hill.
Deep Run. Power wind gusts. Gruniers, Petersburg, and Jason. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs down, at 1-800. In Newport at 1-800-889-6889. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 a.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Duplin and Greene. Newport at 1-800.
It's W Zeppelin. Sister Hill.
Repeating, issued until 10:45 a.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Duplin and Greene.
He doesn't leave me out of...
Oh, yep, SB off for Greene. SBO again.
The National Weather Service in Newport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jones County, Central Lenoir County.
Encouraging Kayla.
60 miles per hour wind gusts. Here is the source for trained weather spotters. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenville, Jacksonville, New Bern, Kinston, Washington, Ridgeville, and Wallace, Pumpkin Center, New River Station, River Road, Half Moon, James City, Trent Woods, River Bend, Griffin, Phillips Crossroads, Belton, Rose Hill, and Richlands. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are bursting widespread wind damage with numerous trees down across Greene, Lenoir, and Duplin counties. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs down.
That's a big hole.
The National Weather Service Office in Newport at 1-800-889-6889. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 a.m. for the following
We're leaving.
in North Carolina, Duplin, and Pitt.
A dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage.
Message from the National Weather Service for the following county.
There's a double header.
In Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Northampton County in northeastern North Carolina, Hampton County in northeastern North Carolina, Dayton County in northeastern North Carolina, the city of Franklin in southeastern Virginia, southwestern Isle of Wight County in southeastern Virginia, southeastern Southampton County in southeastern Virginia, the southwestern city of Suffolk in southeastern Virginia until 11:30 a.m. At 10:47 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Red Square, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. The severe thunderstorm will be near Woodland and Ridge Square around 10:50 a.m. Chow University and Murfreesboro.
Trying to get some signal.
11:05 a.m. Coastal and Winton around 11:10 a.m. Modesto, Gates, and Suffolk around 11:20 a.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Eagletown, Milwaukee, Tunis, Manila, Savage, Challenge Beach, Topsy, Mapleton, Rockland, and Newark. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe.
Oh, tornado possible.
If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central organ in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415.
Am I here maybe?
National Weather Service
Oh no.
Facebook page or using Twitter at @QuakeFieldUp. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 a.m. for the following counties: Northampton, North Carolina. Here is a special message.